In this video class, I am going to discuss sum of all the digited numbers. Sum of all digited numbers. For example, see here. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 digited number is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am taking the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. So here, this one can be filled in 4 ways. This is 3 ways. This is 2 ways. Total 24 numbers we can get by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4. By using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, here we can get a 24 4-digit numbers. How to find the sum of all the 4-digit numbers? Sometimes 5-digit also, like that. See how to get without using the formula only. I am going to say here. And different model questions also we can discuss here. Now, for example, here we want 4-digit numbers, and what are the digits are given here? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. For example, if I keep 1 in the units place, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one can be filled in 4 ways. This is 3 ways. This is 2 ways. Total 24. If I keep 1 in the units place, so 1 can be, how many total 4-digit numbers are there containing 1 in the units place? Those are 24 are there. 1 in the units place. And if I keep 2 also, we can get a 24. If I keep 4 also, we can get a 4 into 3 into 2, 24. See here, sum of the digits 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. In whatever be the place, every digit repeating how many times? 24 times. For example, 1 in the 20 units place, it repeats 24 times, and it is what about the place value? It should be multiplied by 1. And everything 2 into 1. And if it is in the tens place also, for example, 2 I am keeping in the tens place. Here also 4 into 3 into 2, 24. So 2 in the tens place. The total number of 4-digit numbers containing 2 in the tens place. How many are there? 24 are there. So whatever the place value, that should be multiplied by 10. Every number repeats 24 times only. Place in the hundreds place, place thousands place. That is equal to, this is the total sum of the numbers. Total sum of the 4-digit numbers, that is equal to 18 into 24 into 1111. Here by simplifying this one, here we can get a first option. Next one, the sum of 4-digit numbers. Here also we want 4-digit numbers. The sum of 4-digit numbers formed by using the digits 0, 2, 4, 7, 8. 0, 2, 4, 7, 8. Without a repetition is. Here also whatever we did in the previous problem, like that only. For example, if I keep 2 here, if I keep the 2 there, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 ways, here 3 ways, here 2 ways, total 24 are there. Here I will clarify that doubt also. Here maximum everyone will get one doubt here. If I keep 0, that is not a 4-digit number, that is a 3-digit number. Then we can subtract. If 0 in the first place, how many numbers we are getting? There is some we can subtract afterwards. First, if I keep 2 in the units place, how many numbers are getting here? 24. So not only 2, if I keep 0 also, either 4 or 7 or 8, everything is repeating how many times? 24 times. So 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8. Everything is repeating 24 times in whatever be the place value. In the tens place also, in the units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So this one we got all the sum of all the 4-digit numbers minus here what I am subtracting. Here some numbers are there containing 0 in the units thousands place. We can subtract this one. All these are not 4-digit, those are 3-digit numbers only. We have to subtract them. Now 0 here it is there, you can remove that one. Now we want the 3-digit numbers without the 0 only. 0 we cancel. Here what I am subtracting? All the 3-digit numbers only without 0. See here, why? Because here 0 also there in the first place. That's that numbers we are subtracting only. For example, if I keep 2 here, 2, so this one can be filled in 3 ways, this one can be filled in 2 ways. So in whatever be the place, here if I keep in the units place 2 repeating 6 times, here in the tens place also 2 repeating 6 times, in the hundreds place also 2 repeating 6 times, and 4 and 7 and 8 also same only. 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8. Each digit repeating how many times? 6 times. And 1 plus 10 plus 100. That is equals to 21 into 24 1111 minus 21 into 6 into 111. By simplifying that one, we can get the answer. Next one, the sum of all the numbers that can be found by taking the digits. Here see the difference between previous and this one. Here 4 is repeated twice. 4, 4, 5. Here also we want the sum of all the numbers that can be found by taking all digits. All digits 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Now here a total 5-digit numbers are there. Now for example, if I keep 5 here in the units place, how many numbers are there? How many 5-digit numbers are there containing 5 in the units place? So 5 is fixed, that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one can be filled in 4 ways. This is 3 ways. This is 2 ways. This is 1. Total how many we are getting? 24. And here one more thing. 4 is repeated twice. Divide with 2. That is equals to 12. 12 different numbers we can get here. Why? Because here 2, 3, 4, 4 is there. By interchanging these two, there is no change in that number. That's why if any number is repeated twice, divided by 2. If any number is repeated thrice, you can divide with 3 factorial. Here 2 factorial. 2 factorial is nothing but 2 only. Now there are repetition of things also there. One more concept. Now either 5 in the units place or tens place or hundreds place, anywhere 5 repeats how many times? 12 times. Not only 5, if I keep 2 also, the same number of times repeats. If I keep 3 also, same number of times repeats only. So total sum that is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 5, each one repeats 12 times in any position, either in the units place or tens place or any place, whatever be the position, in everywhere each digit is repeating 12 times. Plus, and one more thing also there. What about the position of the 4? How many times it is repeating? For example, if I keep a 4 here, if I keep a 4 there, so 1 4 is fixed. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 are different only. Now here you can see 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Here we can get it 24 times. Whatever be the position, in everywhere 4 repeats how many times? 24 times. But here everything repeats 12 times only. And units place, tens place, hundreds place, that is equal to 120 plus 96 into 5 times. 216 into 555. Sorry, 5 ones. By multiplying this one units and digit, we can get 6 only. Here 6, only one option is there. That is the first option. Next one. The sum of 4-digit numbers formed with 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we want 4-digit numbers by using the digits 2, 3, 4, 5. But here what is the condition? Each digit is using each digit any number of times. So here repetitions are allowed. Now here we can see, for example, if I keep 2 here, so this one can be filled in 4 ways. 1, 2, 3, 4 repetitions are allowed. Here also 4 ways, here also 4 ways. So total 64 numbers are there containing 2 in the units digit. Not only units digit. Here if I keep anywhere 2, so total how many are there? 64 are there, like that. You can keep 3 anywhere in any position. So the total number of numbers containing 3 in that position, 64 are there. So the total sum is equal to 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 into 64. Each one repeats 2 into 64 times, 3 also 64 times, 4 also 64 times, 5 also 64 times. In every position, either in the units place or tens place or hundreds place or thousands place, in everywhere that one each digit is repeated 64 times. By simplifying that one, we can get the answer only. 14 into 64 into 4 ones. That is the first option. A small difference is there. The sum of all 4-digit even numbers that can be formed from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 2 cases are there. Case 1. In the case 1, what I am doing here we want 4-digit numbers, keeping 2 in the units place only. Units digit should be even number only. Now, if I fix a 2 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, this one can be filled in 4 ways, this is 3 ways, this is 2 ways. So, 24 are there. Now, total 4-digit numbers containing 2 in the units digit, that is 24 are there. 2 into 24 in the units place. That is fixed only. Don't change that 2. Now, here I fixed this one. Next, what about 3? How many times repeats that one? Here 3, 2 both are, we are using 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 2. See 3 in the tens place. How many times is that one repeating? 6 times. If I keep not only 3, either 4 or 5, you can keep everything repeats. How many times? Here 1 also there. Except 2, we can take all. Each one. If I keep 3, we are getting 3 into 2. Here 3 digits are left. 3 into 2, 6 times. And if I keep 4 also, 4 repeating in the tens place 6 times. And 5 and 1 also repeating 6 times. Now, each one repeats 6 times. And whatever the position of that one, in the tens place or hundreds place or thousand place. So here we are getting this one. This is 48 plus 72 into 111 0. Here 1000 plus 100 plus 10. that is equal to 1110. That is the sum we are getting if 2 in the units place. Next one, case 2. Case 2. If I keep 4 in the units place, if I keep 4 in the units place, here we want only even numbers. I am keeping that one, that is fixed only. Now, what are the digits left here? 1, 2, 3, 5. So this one can be filled in 4 ways. This one can be filled in 3 ways. This one can be filled in 2 ways. Total 24 we are getting. 4 in the units place. Total how many we are getting? 24 units place. That should be 1 only, multiplied by 1 plus. That is fixed. Now, if I fix a 3 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 is fixed. For example, if I fix a 3 in the tens place, 3 and 4 both are 1, 2, 5 are there. So this one can be filled in 3 ways, this one can be filled in 2 ways. Total 6. Now in these 3 places, whatever be the digit, either 1 or 2 or 3 or 5, in every position in these 3, in the positions, every digit is repeating how many times? 6 times. Plus, here we can write 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 into each one is repeating 6 times, and 10 plus 10th position 100 plus 1000, that is equal to 96 plus 11 into 6, that is 66 into 1110. Here result both we can add, then we can get a total sum of the even numbers. Next one more. The sum of 4 digit distinct numbers can be formed with 1, 2, 2, 3. Here everywhere we can choose only one thing. How many times in every position, whatever the digit, how many times it is repeating. That is very, very important. For example, I am keeping 2 here. If I keep 2 there, one more 2 is there, 3. So this one can be filled in 3 ways, this is 2 ways, this is 1 way. Now whatever be the position of the 2, in the units place or tens place or hundreds or thousand, 2 into 2 is repeating how many times? 6 times. Into whatever be the position, either units place or tens place or hundreds place or thousands place. The total sum, that is equal to total sum of the all the numbers. Now next we can keep either 1 or 3. If I keep 1, now 1, if I keep that one here, this one can be filled in 3 ways. This is 2, this is 1, 6, but here 2 repeated twice. So divided by 2 factorial, we can get 3. So either 1 or 3 if I keep, either 1 or 3, whatever be the position in the tens place, units place or tens place or hundreds place or thousand place, each digit repeating how many times? 3 times. Plus 1 plus 3. Here 1 is repeating, 3 also repeating how many times? 3 times. Whatever be the position, units place or tens place or hundreds place or thousands place. So from these 2 we can take this is the common only. 2 6 are 12 plus 4 3 are 12 into 1 1 1 1, 24 into, by multiplying these 2, 2 triple 6 4 we can get 2 triple 6 4, 26,664. So like this we can solve in an easy way without using the formula also we can solve. Thank you.